Good morning, everybody. We're here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. Take that last little bit.
Okay, this one is gonna be a wedge. I need my marker.
Beautiful wedge. New design. We haven't done a wedge, so something new and cool.
You want to match your seams up on the sleeves.
Gotta get your seams right.
Here, I'm gonna do it this way. All right.
Seams.
You should pull right up at the tag because the tag will be right in the middle.
You end up with that right there. Seam to seam.
Line
Just
up
like
your
she said.
sleeves.
Seam to seam. Is that the XL?
Yep.
That's the big boy.
Alright, and then I'm going to get my marker. And keep in mind your line doesn't have to be perfect.
No.
This is going to wash out because this is a washable marker you're using, I presume, at home. But we do want to go from almost the bottom of the shirt. Woodpecker.
Yep. A yellow hammer. Nice diagonal line straight across.
And you can use a ruler.
Yeah, if you got a yardstick or something like that, you can use that if you don't feel confident, or if you just want to make sure it's perfect. Nothing wrong with that. But if you're like us and like just winging it and seeing what happens, throw that marker on there and see how it turns out.
Okay. So, keep in mind there's a bit of thickness going on because you got several layers of shirt going on here.
Yeah, you got both front and back. It's just gonna pleat on up it while being very careful to maintain her straight line. That way it maintains its wedge shape. Why you call it the wedge.
I got a baby kicking me right now. Well, I'm being a little quiet.
Concentrating hard there, aren't you, XL? Getting into it.
And just a little bit in pain.
Almost there. Look at that. Good looking folds. Nice straight line. It's not going to be easy to keep that line straight, as you see. She has to work to keep it that way. Obviously, it's naturally going to want to just fold straight. Or fold all, you know, the shirt's going to want to fold vertically, and you got to keep that line straight. If you notice by doing that, obviously you're keeping your fold just a little bit off center, which creates your wedge shape. So if your line stays straight, it'll make your fold correct. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
rubber band it. Oh, ow, I stepped on something sharp.
No telling, might be a cacti.
I know.
There are some cacti. Getting it good and banded up. Plenty of bands. Look at that. Wonderful wedge. Check that one on in. Yeah. Sure, that lays in there nice and good.
Okay.
That is a straight line. Good to go. To the dyeing rack.
Alright. So,
That's a big tie-dye.
you
Just
just wanted
saying.
all these greens and the blues?
Oh, what do you want to do? You want to do a full rainbow? I mean, you can do
No, I'm
it.
saying, did you want these the yellow and the black in there?
Oh
too?
no, there's the four right there. Yeah. The quafecta.
Okay. So,
Right, we only need four. Do we want more? Should we do more?
no, this is fine.
Okay.
So I'm pretty sure this is lime pop.
Lime pop.
That says fire red.
Here's that every time. One of these days I'm gonna acetone that off and put lime pop on there, but not today, people.
So lime pop, granny apple.
Granny apple.
Does not surprise me that you picked these colors, considering they're some of your favorites.
Oh yeah.
And then Cayman Isle.
Cayman Isle green. That's one of your favorites.
I do love the Cayman. And some blue violet,
Blue violet.
which is almost like an indigo.
Pretty close. A lot closer to indigo than anything else.
I wonder if Dharma has a indigo. I don't know. I'd have to check. We got a color chart in there.
Yeah, now we have to resort to our chart.
So more lime pop.
We're just gonna repeat.
Yep.
Alrighty, so all told on this one we have lime pop, granny apple green, Cayman Isle green, and blue violet. Beautiful blue-green tie-dye. Blue, green, purple. The blue violet's not really that. It's more blue than violet. It's a beautiful color. Black.
I love it.
More granny apple. Splash of that Cayman. And a touch of blue violet. Then we get the flop.
Ooh, that wind.
I know it's ripping. Sorry if the audio's rough, y'all. The wind is kicking.
Be careful about dye transfer on your gloves. That's usually why I wipe my gloves after I do the flop. You don't want to get some dark you know,
Cross contamination.
You don't want to get blue violet all over your gloves and then go touching your lime pop up there. So.
That wouldn't be good. Beware of cross contamination, people. I want to cross pollinate your colors.
Why don't you just go ahead and do like this?
So you might as well just go ahead and hit it.
Yeah.
While we're here.
Lime pop, and then do our granny apple, which was next.
Look at that beautiful tie-dye.
And I already got my blue violet on, so I'm gonna fill in that Cayman eye. It should be good to go.
Look at that. Ooh, yeah. Little pinch right there. Awesome.
Okay.
Look at that thing. To the drying rack.
Let's go.
Top shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.